If you're planning to attend Token2049 Dubai at the end of April, don't miss the Meta Earth Global Elite Ambassador Bounty, where you could win up to $1,000 in rewards. Invite your friends to register on MePass and help them claim their UBI. By checking in daily and staying active in campaigns, they can keep earning rewards. Step onto the Dubai stage, connect with the core Web3 community, and become a true global elite ambassador. The event runs from February 1st to April 1st. Whether you're a KOL, a community organizer, or a regular Web3 user, anyone who believes in Meta Earth can participate. How to join? 1. Fill out the Google form to sign up. 2. Download MePass. 3. Create your MEC wallet and complete MeID verification. 4. Get your unique referral link. 5. Invite your friends to register. 6. Receive your rewards and trophy in Dubai. Basic rewards. For every friend who completes MeID advanced verification, you'll instantly earn 0.1 MEC, sent on-chain in real time. MEC token can be traded anytime. Tiered rewards. The more friends you invite, the bigger your reward, from $15 up to $1,000. Plus, there's a set of limited edition swags and the official Global Elite Ambassador Trophy waiting for you. Meta Earth Global Elite Ambassador Bounty isn't just a rewards program. It's an invitation to shape the future. Sign up now. Invite your friends so you both can claim UBI and take the spotlight at Meta Earth's 2nd anniversary in Dubai. Let's make history in Dubai this May. Me, my way.